Nagdadabok si Jeff. Anong nagdadabok yun?
One look at you and I see stars that shine up over my head.
Hello guys! Welcome back to our vlog! So for today's video, pupunta po tayo sa Alcudra Lake. So parang desierto siya sa gitna ng lake. Ay, lake sa gitna ng desierto. Okay, so magpipiknik tayo, magka-camping, and let's enjoy! Come on guys!
Let's go!
Sobrang sarap pala mag-drive ng ganitong oras, walang katao-tao. Walang sasakyan pa lang. O diba guys, grabe oh.
So we're finally here. 1 hour away lang to guys from the city. If you're looking for a place na makakampingan or mag-picnic with the family, this is the place to be guys. And what's good about it, walang entrance fee. O diba, bongga, pwede kayo dito mag-overnight. Napaka-relaxing at very peaceful ng place. So we finally found the perfect spot. Time to set up the camp.
Chill.
Ang lakas at ang lamig ng hangin dito guys, napakasarap. Next time, mag-overnight tayo. Napakaganda ng spot na nakita namin guys, grabe. And if ever may nakalimutan kayong bilhin, don't worry guys, meron sila ditong maliit na tindahan sa labas. Meron silang yellow at iba pa. So magpre-prepare kami na lunch namin guys. Ayun. Kagabi pa lang nag-barbecue. Gabi pa lang nag-prepare na kami ng pang-barbecue. Like yung pork, yung chicken, yung corn and everything. Para today, chill-chill na lang kami guys. So ayan nga, nagdadabok si Jeff. Anong nagdadabok yun? Nagsisindot. Anong dabok sa Tagalog? Napaka-relaxing ng ano ba to? Ayan. Again. Napaka-relaxing ng place dito, guys. Grabe. Thank you, Lord, sa mga ganitong opportunity na nararanasan namin ni Jeff. Ang sarap lang sa feeling na mahal ka ng taong mahal mo, no? Char! Wala lang akong masabi, guys. So, let's eat! Bilang isang OFW guys, ito ata yung pangarap nating buhay paminsan-minsan. Yung walang stress, kalimutan ng work for the meantime. After kumain, inantok na guys. Sana lahat tayo maging successful sa buhay. Laban lang kabayan, okay? By the way, ito pala yung ice cream na nabili namin sa kanto. I don't know if Korean ice cream ba to or Chinese. Pero solid. Sobrang sarap niya. Sobrang nag-enjoy din si Jeff. So it's time for us to go home.
So uwi na kami guys.
Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!